Hi guys, welcome back to answering random questions on the internet relating to Python programming. And yes, I know I have given this series multiple names, but we all know what we're doing here. So today we have where to learn Python programming for free. Or you can learn Python programming for free everywhere. It just depends on what level of programming you are at first and what you want to use. For example, if you prefer webs using blogs, our advice program is that is PRO. I forgot how to spell it, but I know it's MMIZ. They're very good. And if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to link their website below. On YouTube, there's Free Code Camp, there's coding with Mosh, and there is me. So yeah, you can learn. You can also go on TikTok, although programming on TikTok is usually snippets, so it's not going to be detailed. You can go for courses like CS50P. It's free. That is Harvard's computer science. Harvard's introduction to programming using Python. It's free. The lecturer, I think, what's his name again? David J. Malan. He's very good. He explains things very well. He was the one. It was his course I used to learn. C, was it C or C plus plus? Can't remember. But so I'll link all those things below if you're